Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Doro 8100 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening the contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. And let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see. All you have to do is to tap on Add Picture. Now you can choose from which section you'd like to choose a picture. You can open the camera app, you can open your gallery or Google Photos, so the backed up photos. I'll choose something from the gallery. Let me tap on it. Alright, maybe not this way, maybe this way. Okay, just tap on the photo, and here in this section we can zoom in or out the photo. We can also change the position of it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So after positioning it, just tap on choose, and this is how it looks like. So let's tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like after applying the photo. You will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.